In today's video, I'm going to show you an insane new AI video generator that creates full YouTube videos from text prompts. This is an AI-powered video creation tool with the goal of making it possible for anyone to easily create professional-looking videos. You may be wondering, just how good do these AI-generated videos look? Is the quality any good? Well, I decided to test it out for myself by prompting to create a 3-minute video about how AI and robotics will change the world in the next 5 years. Let's take a look at the video.
Imagine a world where robots and artificial intelligence not only coexist with humans, but also contribute significantly to society. It's not a far-fetched science fiction scenario, it's a reality that's unfolding right before our eyes. From the realm of robotics, we have seen innovations such as Mecha, a humanoid robot designed by Engineered Arts. A marvel of engineering, Mecha can mimic human facial expressions and interact with people in a way that feels incredibly lifelike. With its deep learning algorithms, it's capable of understanding and responding to human emotions, adding a new dimension to human-robot interaction. Then there's Sophia, the world's first robot citizen. Developed by Hanson Robotics, Sophia uses artificial intelligence to carry out conversations, recognize faces, and even display a range of human-like expressions.
As you can see, I'm really impressed by how professional this AI-generated video looks. But obviously I can't show the full video. The footage fits the narration, and it even has slick animations. Of course, it's not entirely perfect yet. I noticed a couple odd transitions or mediocre stock clips, but remember, I didn't have to do any filming, editing, or writing myself. The AI did all the hard work. This tool provides an end-to-end solution for video creation and editing. You don't need any prior video editing experience. The AI does the hard work for you. But how does this tool work? Well, it couldn't be much simpler. All you need to do is type or paste a text prompt describing the video you want, and AI will take care of the rest. You can choose from over 5,000 customizable video templates tailored to different industries and video formats, or you can write your own unique prompt and let the AI generate a video from scratch. For example, you could prompt a relaxing ocean waves video with calming piano music, or an explainer video about the top 5 marketing strategies for 2023. After analyzing your text, this AI tool will pull relevant media assets from its library, write a script, and edit everything together into a polished video in just minutes. The AI is smart enough to even suggest visuals and clips that match your topic. But wait, there's more. This AI tool's abilities go far beyond just generating an initial video. One of its most insane features is that you can have a back-and-forth conversation with the AI to refine and customize your video through natural language instructions. For example, after the AI outputs your first video draft, you could say, make the voiceover more energetic this time, or use B-roll footage of people hiking for the intro, or even detailed editing commands like trim the last scene by 5 seconds. This tool will then regenerate a new version of your video with the exact tweaks you requested in plain English. Going back and forth with the AI feels like collaborating with an editor or filmmaker, and the name of this tool is none other than Invideo. Even though Invideo's AI is advanced, it's not perfect just yet. During my testing, I noticed some minor issues like awkward edits, repetitive footage, and less than ideal transitions in the auto-generated videos. But the great part is that Invideo gives you easy controls to tweak and refine any part of the video through natural language instructions. For example, if I want to change the repetitive B-roll clips in the middle, I could tell Invideo to insert more varied footage in this section. Or if I wanted different background music, I could say make the music more upbeat with a faster tempo. Invideo will then regenerate that section of the video with the changes I requested in plain English. So the AI does the heavy lifting, but you are still in creative control. This brings me to a key point about Invideo. It is an AI assistant, not an AI filmmaker. The human creator is still very much needed. At the end of the day, you decide the story you want to tell and how to tell it. Invideo removes a lot of the repetitive production work like editing, asset sourcing, and basic design. But the creative vision and storytelling are driven by you, the video maker. Think of Invideo as your AI sidekick that handles the tedious tasks rapidly, so you can focus on crafting compelling content and narratives. The creative control remains in your hands. Now tools like Invideo do raise interesting questions around originality of content. If anyone can instantly generate professional videos with AI, what does that mean for creativity? Well, in my opinion, AI will enhance creativity rather than replace it. Human imagination, storytelling, and emotion are still needed to make truly great content that resonates. AI removes friction from the process so creators can devote more energy to the parts that really matter, crafting stories and making connections. There will always be a need for authentic and inspired content. To quickly recap, Invideo is an insane new AI tool that can pump out full videos with impressive quality from just text prompts. I've shown you examples like a video on how AI will change the world, and even a video I generated on what if Bitcoin takes over the financial world? What if the banking system collapses? Let's watch this video too.
Have you ever wondered what would happen if Bitcoin takes over the financial world? What if the traditional banking system as we know it collapses? The answer to these questions might seem far-fetched, but in a world where technology is rapidly transforming every aspect of our lives, it's not entirely impossible. Imagine a world where Bitcoin, the decentralized digital currency, reigns supreme. A world where there are no banks, no credit cards, and no physical cash. It's a world where everyone is their own bank, and transactions occur directly between individuals without the need for a third party. In this Bitcoin-dominated world, every transaction would be transparent and recorded on a public ledger known as the blockchain. This would mean an end to fraud, corruption, and financial crimes, as every transaction would be traceable and verifiable. But what about the economy? Some experts believe that if Bitcoin were to become the dominant currency.
This was another impressive video. I'm really impressed by how professional this AI-generated video looks. Even the female voiceover felt almost real, and every information is correct too. But what do you guys say? For individuals starting their journey, Invideo provides a plus plan starting at just $20 per month billed annually. This unlocks additional capabilities like 50 minutes of AI video generation per month, 40 iStock assets, 100 GB cloud storage, and unlimited video exports. For established creators needing more production capacity, Invideo offers a max plan starting at $48 per month billed yearly. This includes 200 minutes of monthly AI generation, 160 iStock assets, 400 GB cloud storage, and unlimited video exports. Compared to purchasing standalone editing software, Invideo's cloud access and automation provides immense time savings. With flexible plans tailored from hobbyists to professionals, Invideo makes polished video creation achievable for creators at all levels. While it still has some kinks to work out, Invideo demonstrates how AI will reshape and democratize video creation in the future. The barriers to producing great content are lowered, but human creativity remains essential. If you want to try out Invideo's video generation capabilities yourself, don't forget to check the link in the video description for a free trial. I'd love to hear about your experience with this potentially game-changing new tool. And that's all for today. If you're excited about AI innovations and want to stay updated with the latest trends and insights, subscribe and turn on notifications. Remember, AI is not our enemy, but our ally, ushering us into a future of endless possibilities.